Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Start by securing both accounts. Enable 6-digit two-factor authentication on Binance and confirm you have your 12-word recovery phrase for Trust Wallet stored offline. Never type or share private keys or your 12-word recovery phrase in chat or email. Decide whether you will use Wallet Connect to link the wallets. Wallet Connect creates an encrypted session so your private keys remain on your device. Confirm device OS updates and a secure network before proceeding to avoid. On a desktop, open Binance DEX or Binance. Org and click Connect Wallet, then choose Wallet Connect to display a QR code. On your mobile device, open Trust Wallet, tap Settings, then Wallet Connect or open D-Apps and use the scanner. Scan the QR code shown on Binance. Trust Wallet will display a permission request listing the address and allowed actions. Carefully read and tap Approve to authenticate. The session is encrypted and keys remain on your device, so only approve trusted domains. After approving the Wallet Connect session, verify the displayed receiving address exactly matches the address in Trust Wallet. Address mismatches indicate compromise. Always send a small test amount first, for example, or 0.0001 BTC, and confirm it arrives before sending larger sums. When finished, return to Trust Wallet, open Wallet Connect sessions, and tap Revoke or Disconnect to terminate access. If a session looks unfamiliar, revoke it immediately, clear browser cache, and contact Binance and Trust Wallet support for help.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.